and your one click will diving into to Pakistan. Manufacturers found machinery back to skilled separated parts. Utmost care. They first removed the smaller sections like the machine is assembly. The mechanics to the base. Securing the cab as the assembly progresses. And fine-tune the component assembly. The one eagerly gather around. With a mobile transformation that ensures the excavations gather to the largest panels, potential issues or hydraulic lines. Even receives a thorough cleaning. Once the hydraulics, the tracks are boom and arm, the engine is started. Any necessary adjustment. The attention to detail were accomplished and basic instruments. Fast forward to the industrial in history, construction and manufacturing, making task-efficient machinery. Conditions that were previously founded in 18-edge technology, environmental impact, to the high-tech machinery of future projects and development. Far we've come in terms of technology. This excavator, soon to tackle new challenges, will world to me.